High dusting services. What is high dusting? High dusting takes traditional low dusting to new heights. High dusting services involves using ladders, lifts, and specialized equipment to reach above pipes and ceiling fans. Dust is accumulate on top of cabinets, behind TVs, above doors, ceiling tiles and vent. Hidden dirt that's easy to miss. Here are some areas that tend to hide dust buildup. Air vents, light fixtures, HVAC ducts, exhaust fans, water pipes, ceiling tiles and walls, ledges, cabinet tops, door frames, etc. Over time, all of these surfaces can trap dirt, smoke, and other contaminants. Our professionals know how to leave each surface lustrous and clean. This gives homes and commercial properties a fresh smell. Why is high dusting important to be maintained on regular basis? There are several reasons why high dusting services are an essential part of your commercial building maintenance. Allergy relief, by getting rid of accumulated dust, pollen, and dander that makes its way inside, you preserve excellent air quality. Better maintenance, when fans, ducts, and other surfaces are clean, they work more efficiently. This saves money and helps equipment last longer. Buildings are easier to maintain on regular basis. Focus attention on your work, instead of dust. Taking detailed cleaning to the next level with high dusting is especially valuable for your building with elevated ceilings. These areas are hard to reach, but we can take care of everything, leaving your ceiling and ceiling fixtures absolutely breathtaking. Commercial building cleaning also provides a great first impression for business customers. Restaurants, office buildings, stores, airports, malls, and food service companies all benefit from high dusting of industrial fixtures. Wherever dust is hiding, you can trust U.S. janitorial experts to remove it completely. If you're not sure what type of high dusting is needed in your businesses, we're happy to provide a free consultation. Contact us right away to learn more or schedule an appointment.